Welcome to Super Top. Today, we're diving into some serious tool power, the best Makita combo kits. Whether you're a professional contractor or a weekend DIYer, Makita's combo kits bring reliability, power, and versatility to your toolbox. Before we get started, don't forget the links to all these Makita kits are in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself after the video. Let's get started. 1. Makita CT232. This set includes a 3/8" cordless driver drill and an impact driver, making it perfect for light-duty jobs around the house or small construction tasks. What's impressive about the CT232 is how compact and lightweight it is, with the drill weighing only 2.4 pounds and the impact driver at just 2.3 pounds. Despite the small size, you still get great power with up to 250 pounds of torque from the drill and 970 pounds from the impact driver. And of course, comes with an LED light to keep your workspace bright, no matter how tight or dark it is. If you're looking for portability and ease of use without sacrificing power, this is a great option for your everyday projects. You can find the link to the Makita CT232 in the video description below. Number 2. Makita CT225 SYX. This kit comes with a 1/2" driver drill and an impact driver. The driver drill provides up to 480 pounds of max torque, while the impact driver cranks out an impressive 460 pounds of torque, making it ideal for tougher tasks like drilling into harder materials or driving large fasteners. What stands out about the CT225 SYX is its lightweight design. The drill is just 3.3 pounds, and the impact driver weighs 2.8 pounds, so they're both easy to handle and reduce fatigue. And with Makita's legendary fast charging, the batteries are ready to go in no time. So there's less waiting and more working. For anyone needing a reliable compact toolset for professional jobs or home projects, this one's a strong contender. The link for the Makita C225X is in the description. 3. Makita XT505. This 5-piece combo kit includes a hammer driver drill, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, and a flashlight. This kit is a powerhouse that can handle everything from drilling and fastening to cutting and demolition. The hammer driver drill delivers 480 pounds of torque, perfect for tough materials, and the reciprocating saw with 1 to 1/4 inch stroke length delivers fast cutting at 2,800 strokes per minute. The circular saw is a standout feature too, with 30,700 RPM for fast cuts through wood and materials. This is the kit you want if you need versatility and reliability for larger projects. You can check out the full specs and pricing by hitting the link for the Makita XT505 in the description. 4. Makita CT225R. This combo includes a 1/2" driver drill and an impact driver, but this time with 2.amp-hour batteries for extended runtime. The driver drill offers 480 pounds of torque, and the impact driver packs a punch with 1,460 pounds of torque. The great thing about this kit is the compact design, weighing only 3.3 pounds for the drill and 2.8 pounds for the impact driver, which means less fatigue during those long jobs. Plus, the 2.0 batteries charge in just 25 minutes, so there's minimal downtime between tasks. If you're a pro looking for power in a compact package, the CT225R could be just what you need. The link is in the description below. So, there you have it, 4 of the best Makita combo kits available right now. Whether you need a lightweight 12-volt set for smaller tasks or a full 18-volt kit for heavy-duty work, Makita has a combo that fits the bill. Don't forget, all the product links are right down in the description, so feel free to check them out at your own pace. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video, comment with any questions, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss our next review. See you at the next Super Top.